news about Jesus as gone to Mark chapter 9 from verse 33 to verse 50. Who are going to have the top position? After Jesus and him follower them reach a Capernaum and go into the house, him ask them say, when did that talk about? When did that walk? But them not say nothing, because them did argue about which one of them are going to get the top position in the group. After Jesus sit down, him call him 12 followers them and say, if none of you want the top position, you don't have to second for last place and serve everybody. Then him take one little picnic and make him turn up amongst them. Him hug up the picnic and say to them, say, anybody will take in one of them little picnic, cause him believe in me, take me in too. And anybody will take me in, and not just me them a take in, them a take in the one will send me to. Who now fight against you, they on your side. John said to Jesus, say, Teacher, we see one man that use your name run out demon out of people, and we try to tap him because him no belong to a group. But Jesus said to them, say, not tap him, because nobody will use for my name to work miracle can just turn around the next minute and chat bad about me. Because anybody will not fight against me, they on for side. Me I tell you this, I'm not lie. Anybody will give you one cup of water because it belong to me, bound forget, but them forget. Things will cause people to sin. If nobody make one of them little picnic will believe in me sin, it would have better for them if somebody tie one big rock stone on them neck and fling them in the sea. So, if you hand make no sin, chop it off, because it would have better for no cripple and for live forever with God than for have two hands and get fling down in a hellfire where can't out. If you foot make no sin, chop it off, because it would have better for no if you can't walk and live forever with God than for have 2 foot and get fling down a hell. If you lie cause you fi sin, juke it out, cause you would have better off if you go in a God kingdom with only 1 eye than fi have 2 eye and get fling down a hell where the worm them, where yam them can't dead and the fire where burn them can't out. But fire are go burn and clean up everybody. Salt good, but if the taste gone, how you gonna make it taste like salt again? Make the good news come in like salt amongst you and cause you to live in a peace with one another. And God Wod Dis. Thank God.